That's my next forging post. So we had this log out at the park. We used to use it for fitness. We don't really use it like we used to. Our martial fitness is very, very focused. We don't do a lot of miscellaneous fitness anymore. But I didn't want the log to go to waste. I had so many pleasant memories of training with it, with Chris and Corey and Leo and Robert and Alex and the whole crew. So I decided to bring it back here to the house. So I hauled it back here. I cut about 1.5 feet off of it. It's about 8.5 feet. And then what I did was I dug a hole about 20 inches. I've got it in the ground. And to stabilize it, I didn't use any cement. I just took some rocks and I banged them down in there with the digging rod and then filled it in with dirt. And then I packed that in as well, because if it rots or I get sick of it, I want to be able to take it out without having to rent heavy equipment. So it's a forging post. Now, what do you do with it? Well, I used to train with one all the time when I was indoors. Now I've trained my body toughening using rocks and stones and other objects. But I really wanted to get back to doing it the old-fashioned way, and so I decided to put a new one in. What you use it for is to toughen the body. Now, I need to coat this one with rope, but it's a little bit hard to hit with sincerity right now. But once it's got some rope wrapped around it, it'll be great for hitting and then rubbing the forearms to get some calluses on those forearms. And then I'll wrap it at the bottom for kicks. Look, the human body is soft and weapons are hard. And if you want to toughen your body, you might want to think about rubbing your body against something the same way that you would, let's say, take a knife and run it across a sharpening stone. Anyway, if you like this channel, please make sure that you like, share, and to subscribe. And then if you'd like to learn a little bit more about martial arts training at home, we have a free distance learning program at heritageartsinc.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.